Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Simple origami flowers ideas for kids. Origami is one of the best activities for kids as it helps to hone their fine motor skills. Teach your kids to make beautiful origami flowers with just a few simple steps. Number 1. Rose. Material required: red colored paper, pencil, scissors, glue. How to make: draw a circular spiral from the center of the red paper. Use scissors to cut along the spiral lines that have been sketched. Once you have the strip with you, start rolling it from the outer end towards the inner end, arranging the layers as you go. Once completed rolled, glue the end part to hold it together in one place. Make many such roses to form a bouquet. Number 2. Peony. Material required: the colored tissue paper of your choice. Scissors. How to make: take multiple tissue papers together and fold them lengthwise. Keep folding them until an accordion-like fold pattern is formed. Tie all these papers at the center from the shorter end. At the longer ends, use a pair of scissors to cut them in diamond shapes. These will resemble the flower petals. Keep the center tight. Unfurl both ends to reveal a beautiful peony flower. Number 3. Fairy ball flower. Material required: the colored tissue paper of your choice. Scissors. How to make: take multiple layers of tissue paper together. Fold the papers in a zigzag fashion along the length. Once folded, take a pair of scissors and cut both ends of the strip in a round shape. Now press one finger on the center and start splitting each layer of the tissue paper gently. Higher the number of tissues, more magnificent is the flower to look at. Try making these simple origami crafts with your kids and have a gala time putting together tons of flowers.